Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the backsplash assembly on your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit, a T10 Torx bit, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power to the appliance. Pull the knobs off from the backsplash. Unthread the 5 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull out and lift the panel from the backsplash. Detach the ground wire. Pull the tab to the start switch back and twist counterclockwise to remove. Squeeze the tabs on the start button and push to remove from the backsplash. Pull the tab to the signal switch back and twist counterclockwise to remove. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the backsplash. Pull the backsplash back and lift up to free it from the dryer. Using the T10 Torx bit, unthread the screw securing the timer. Depress the tab and twist the timer counterclockwise to remove it. Depress the tab and twist the temperature switch counterclockwise to remove. Now depress the tab and twist the extended tumble switch counterclockwise to remove. To install the new backsplash assembly, insert the extended tumble and temperature switches and twist them clockwise to lock in place. Insert the timer and twist clockwise to lock the tabs in the slots. Rethread the screw to secure the timer. Insert the signal switch and twist clockwise to lock in place. Snap the start button into the backsplash. Align the D shaft to the start button and insert the switch. Twist clockwise to lock in place. Set the backsplash back into the dryer slots and push forward to lock in place. Rethread the 2 screws. Reattach the ground wire to the panel. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the dryer. Rethread the 5 screws. Align the knobs with the D shaft and press them into place. Plug in the dryer. And your dryer should be ready for use.